Yes, sir. I'm on my way. Yes, sir. I'm only 5 minutes away, sir. Yes, Mr. Principal. No, sir. Yes. So, tell me something. You hear any good news about the wage increase? Oh, yes, sir. Up till now? I'm sorry, no, sir, but I think I'm not going to be able to make it in this morning. I'm going to have to call in sick today. Yes, sir, I'm sick. I'm sick and tired. You know what, I'm have a heart attack. Up till now, I can't get no raise for my money. I'm not come to work today, sir. I'm sick and I'm tired. Matter of fact, I take a week off. Now for them people who are sending people to come to school need parenting themselves. So you can just imagine the type of pitney what they send come to school. I have to teach them like a hooligan pitney and I have to be parents for them, sir. I'm sick and I'm tired. When time you get some good news about the wage pay, you call me back. Right now, I'm sick until further notice. Yes, sir. I can't take it no more. We tired of it, sir. The government needs to do better. We can't deal with this no more. Every time I block my neck, I come to school to come deal with them a type of pitney. Imagine, them a type of hooligan pitney. And up till now, the government can't give you no good news for the money when I forget. Me say, yes, sir. Yes. When time you get some good news from the government, you call me back. Have a good day to you, sir. Mr. Government, you need to go on better. If you need new vehicle, you get it like so. If you don't want to raise a pay, you get it like so. Somehow you need to come out of the House of Parliament and go on a nice school, them go and go teach them type of pitney. But the teacher them have to deal with. You don't know heart. You don't know heart. You come like a heart attack, you don't want the teacher them to have. Imagine, every day of the week we have to be at school, I teach them pitney. We can't even talk to them too hard. They want to shoot we. They want to stab we. Them a pitney come like a big people. I walk them figure walk. And when time we have to work out, we showcase and try to make something good out of them. So we can have a better Jamaica, a better country, a better future. You see the one them want make we feel proud. If you know say, yeah, we hard work, what we are putting in a pay off. Yes, they make we feel good. But you see the rest of them figure look, work, and they don't want to learn. And who the government, who don't want to raise the pay. Every time we are feeling an argument, we don't feel the raise the pay. And the money never not reach far. Because if you buy myself a decent pair of boots. The little pay what them give me a month time as me get it done. Fear alone done it, gas alone done it. Me not even can buy a car. You know, for when me a pay a mortgage for my house, imagine, my father have to work hard for the farm. He send me and my sister and brother them go to school. My mother have to wash people dirty clothes. He send we go to school. And now that's we come out to something. Imagine, me come as a proud teacher. And me have me two pitney and my wife. And we have it hard. Imagine, we need to raise a pay, Mr. Prime Minister. Don't ramp with we need to raise a pay. Imagine, what kind of future you make for Jamaica when time? Who don't want to pay the teachers them? As who don't want to raise a pay in our house of parliament, who don't get it? I want to know what we do. Who don't feel say we can make bread out of stone? Who don't feel say we can turn Google what into something great? If we don't know how to give no money, what kind of motivation you know how to give as teacher? We want more money. We want better pay. We tired of the foolish found. We come like a heart attack when we want to give the teachers them. We don't want my blood pressure go sky high. I want to know. We tired of it. We want better pay. We want better pay. Until me get better wage increase, me not go back to school. Me not go back to school. Me sick and me tired. Me tired down. Me tired down. Remember say we response for the future. Remember say we response for the future. And if you not give no better pay, you not go get no better future. If people them come in as patty toto, them are left out as dumpling because you not give no proper motivation with a wage increase. And we need wage increase. And me advocate for a better pay. We tired of it. Imagine if you can't take care of the teachers them, if you can't make the teachers them feel motivated with a better wage increase, what do you expect to go happen? We want better pay. Me not go back to work until me get some good news from the government. Me sick and me tired, so me call in sick.
And to end this newscast, here's a recap of the main point. JTA locked in meeting at the Labour Ministry to end industrial action by teachers.